So how many of you are just itching right now to get started? I know you are. Okay, we are going to do a think, mini pair, big pair. Think, mini pair, big pair. Share. Whatever. So you are going to spend 7.5 minutes-ish on your own. Then you're going to spend about 3 minutes comparing it to someone that's next to you in the group. And then you're going to talk whole group. Okay? Whole group. Next to. Oh, you're not supposed to be next to anyone. It's okay. It's fine.
What?
I made Rucker and Kaylee my pocket.
Pocket Kaylee.
Pocket Kaylee. Pocket Rucker. All right, go ahead. Go. Work. Show your work. I'll be around. Come around with paper if you need it.
No.
You have graph paper?
I have graph paper if you'd like it. Come up with as many transformations that you can.
We're starting from A, B, C to get to D, E, F, right?
Absolutely. That's what it
Okay.
says. Right on that first line.
Did it?
How do you get transform triangle ABC
My bad.
into DEF? That's okay. Extra paper if you need it. But sketch away, sketch away, sketch away all. Graph paper, must say. Any more graph paper, guys? You were thinking you're doing okay? Graph paper? You guys want graph paper? You guys are ignoring me, okay. Anyone with graph paper?
All of them.
Anyone want graph paper?
I don't know. I have to rotate it somehow. Would finding the matrix be easier when you work on it?
Oh, this one from the Matrix.
All right, so you guys can start talking if you.
We're already talking, so it's fine.
It's all right. That's what I kind of heard the mumbling, so don't feel like you are restricted.
Okay.
Okay, just because I gave you that 7-minute
Oh,
time
it
limit.
looks different.
If you need some help,
That has to slide up and then over.
Yeah, I just need to turn. I reflected it over the half point.
make sure that you're supporting your work though. If you are doing these, and I see a lot of you doing the reflections or doing your transformations first, so that's what I'm noticing. Make sure that you can back it up
Well, first
with the math.
I rotated it, then I reflected it, and now I'm going to. I reflected it over the half point, and then I.
Which half
Are
point?
you supposed to show these to the camera?
So what are we
The
talking about
camera.
right now?
This is mine.
You can't even see it. You have to like focus somehow. There you go. Perfect.
Perfection. Now show yours. Let's go around the table.
Yeah, but mine's not right.
I'd rather not.
I have to rotate it and move it.
I'm sorry, translation
Yeah.
is one.
What did you do?
Can you manipulate?
I don't know. Brick got another triangle.
I just
Okay, you
reflected
reflected it
it.
over the Y after?
Yeah, and then I was gonna try to rotate it,
So,
but I don't think that'll work.
so
You can, and then you just do.
Translate it over what coordinate?
why don't you work
I'm
on
wondering
your
what that
idea?
point's for.
Yeah, but how would I rotate that to get
I kept
90
looking at
degrees.
that, I'm like,
There are a billion ways to do this. There are a
Then you
billion
got the
ways.
angle.
this?
Not a billion.
Well, that's
I
why-
wanna say
that's
she
why
wants
I
us to make
rotated
like a
it
little
first,
vector, and then
so
I'm
that I
like,
can reflect it and then just do a translation.
Rotations and reflections and translations.
That's what I did.
or could
That's
you
what I
make
thought.
like a
Go
vector
what
like
makes sense to
this,
you.
and then it flips?
Cassie's
over?
way is not going to be Kara's way. I can tell you that.
What?
Is that what this point's for?
Right
What?
here,
Do you know what I'm saying?
Well,
Like a.
wait. Did you? Oh, my pencil. Okay.
No, I just reflected it
Good
over
job. I
there.
heard a good job. Pocket runner got a good job.
Ah!
Did you?
Of course he did.
Oh my
Let's think this.
I hate math.
I want you to verify this though. So because just your drawing isn't enough. Okay.
Of course, Rutger.
Would the
you got it.
alright? Would the bonus be to rotate it?
I feel like it would just be this.
Rotate it 180 over the origin, and then reflect it over itself,
One,
and that
two.
would give you the new.
No, that's not right. Never mind. Because it's 2 away from this, so it would be
Wait a
2.
minute. This little lonely point is right in between point B
Hey!
and point E on the two different triangles, and they're
Connection.
congruent.
Pretty. Right here.
Where?
These B and E are congruent, and the point is right in between them.
Wait,
So are we
what?
making a vector from B to C?
Maybe. Or maybe we're using.
Or be through that dot to see.
But my first thought was that you can rotate it from
Maybe
point
we're
B.
rotating it
If you
about
Around that point?
Yeah, maybe if you look at this, ready? If you rotate it from this point and it's a circular rotation like it was on that project that we did, it would make a circle.
No, it's a circular rotation. Then you go circle.
No, look, it's like equal. Like the what is the word I'm looking for? No,
No.
in a circle, like halfway.
Oh, the diameter.
Is it the diameter? Yeah, radius. Radius is equal
Yeah.
from. I don't know. Label the point. Say the point is point Z now. That's what I'm labeling it. It's
Point Z.
So I'm thinking that developing our plans is what a lot of you are doing first, and then you're going to do the math afterwards.
Yeah.
Most likely.
So I'm going to be putting up on the board right now some of your reference matrices, just so you can support your knowledge
I feel like
when
you
you
can.
are developing your math. Okay. So
This is me being the best now.
Alright, I'm gonna rotate it around point A,
Can anyone do it
like
without?
Erica did.
Me.
You have to translate it up one. and
See
over.
how there's like the half point with the line? If you
One
were
over. Is it a full?
if the line's A with D. A's 1 point off.
Over one.
So if I tried to reflect over a whole, that would work. We reflect over a half, they're going to be this to each other. And if we rotate over A and then translate out 1, they're in line.
I have a feeling that this point has to do with something about rotation as the first step.
One,
I
two,
think we're all wrong.
3, 4, 5.
That's why I was really good.
4, 5. I don't know.
This makes me just like.
Makes me upset because I don't know what to do.
Can't you rotate it
Oh, crap, I
360 degrees or negative 360, whatever it is?
You can
Clockwise
do
and counterclockwise.
you can do negative,
Counterclockwise.
but you can also do counterclockwise
Can't you
90.
do, yeah, can't you do like negative, like rotate it counterclockwise 360 degrees and then just flip and translate it? about
160 degrees.
Would be through to the third one.
That's 180.
I mean 180, yeah. No, that would be,
So if you rotate it 90 degrees,
90, 180, 270, 136.
34.
This is really
B double point.
so it would be 270, wouldn't it? We're going from here.
remember magnitude and direction for your rotations.
Okay.
But I think that the first step might have to be
Well, I'm using-
rotation because this point is
like,
right here. It's in the middle. I don't know. I feel that way too.
You don't fail at life, Eric. It's okay.
I did mine different. That's like
She said there's more than one line.
doesn't mean I win.
Alright, well, what happens if we rotate it around this point? Where does it end up? If we
But-
rotate it?
Yeah.
Which one are you talking about? What's
This.
it about?
Z. My mystery point Z. That's
Correct?
what I named
V
it.
for bottom.
Z. Like Vada's theorem.
Vada's
Label
theorem.
everything that way.
So then this would be slide up
It's not the same distance. Oh, wait, one point.
Up
So
one,
when you
over
rotate
one,
around that point, it's not
over
gonna be the same like translated.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's the only step. But you just, it might be first.
That's the full image for that. So how do we do a matrix?
Ooh, Kaylee, that's a big ol' sigh.
Alright, well, if we rotate, I'm trying to figure this out.
Well, I'm sorry for not providing that to you earlier.
This rotation right here is
If
Where's
we
your
rotated around point Z, where would it end up?
Where's your
I'm
meter
just,
notes?
my brain is
Point
not
Z?
following this.
that the one
It's mystery point Z, that's what I've labeled it.
Yeah, but you also have to support it with
I know.
math.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
You have
3.
15 minutes.
This would be the base of it if you rotated it.
But
I
then
want you
won't
to-
Get everywhere.
Huh?
But then I won't get everywhere.
You're not
That would
going
be-
to get
that would be
everywhere. It's
180.
impossible to get
Well,
everywhere.
what if you rotate it,
Okay.
what did we say,
So
180?
make sure you
1,
perfect.
2,
180
3.
degrees.
No,
If you're-
this would
And
be
verify, not perfect, but verify.
270.
No, it wouldn't.
Yes, it would.
No, when it, this quadrant, if you're gonna rotate it into this quadrant, that's 90,
Did it? Let me
180,
see.
270, 360.
I saw hands up. Talk to
So
me.
this is 180?
That would be
That would be
that
180.
is
If we
180.
rotate it 180 degrees, where would it end up? Like, if we rotate this 180 degrees to here.
It would end up right here, and then you would have
We
to
are
slide
trying
it
to
down.
get ABC to D.
Slide it down to.
Slide down one,
Down to right one.
2, right one.
So that would be two
But
steps.
could you still use your same
Unless you consider
pattern?
two translations.
Yeah, but
How, using your method, do you go from ABC to DEF?
is 2 translations considered 2 steps, or is it 1 step?
I-
Like if it's down
No,
and
no.
over, is that 1
You
translation?
could use a vector.
Psych. Brittany.
Fucking record. Okay.
Alright,
So how
let's
do you
use
go
vector.
from here? You told me to rotate and then
So
reflect.
then
Yes.
we're here.
Record's like, I already know the answer,
It
so.
would be 90.
This is depressing.
It's the same stuff,
Point
just
Z.
in different directions,
is
different
90.
order. Okay.
180.
Now,
What would be
make
the
sure that
vector?
we're also remembering
Vector
that
would be
our
the origin, right?
The main
Do
direction
whatever
is
for
going
vector.
to be
Vector can be
counterclockwise.
anywhere.
Yeah, but the vector for what point?
So if we're going to go
D.
90 degrees clockwise,
You'd have to
what
do
does
the
that
math
mean?
to figure out what vector
You need
would
a
work.
vector before you could do anything.
So you have to figure out what vector works with
Or-
that.
Negative 270,
With math.
Point Z.
270 degrees.
It's secret point Z.
Counter.
You have to have a formula.
Good idea, guys. Good.
I don't know. I tried.
Well,
We're at this point right here, where we rotated around point Z.
first of all, I think you rotated about point Z.
Well, first
The
I
point
did
Z is
this.
this one. There.
Okay.
So we rotated it
The first
180
thing that I
here.
did was this. And then I was like, wait a minute, Z's not even in that. And then I was
Why
like,
do you have to use Z?
I'm just trying to figure it out. I like this is my solution. I'm just trying to figure out what Z means.
I
Okay.
did mine on a half.
So number one, is your solution her solution?
No.
Does it have to be?
No.
So for Vada, I'm telling you, verify your solution for yourself to see if your
Brain works.
solution works. Okay? Now for the rest of you that are like, I need Z, what's going on?
I don't need Z. I
You
don't
don't-
even know what Z is.
I figured out hers, and I was trying to figure out Z.
Don't worry about figuring out hers. She has a brain, she can figure it out for herself.
I flipped this over and then I was gonna try
right
to
here.
rotate it.
So you went here to here. So erase hers and create one for yourself. Oh, unless you guys collaboratively came up with it together.
Well, she came up with her own this way, and we were collaboratively going for Z.
Yeah, we're going for Z.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we were doing.
Oh, okay. Before we go collaboratively, verify. Come up with your own solution and verify. You have to
I'm
use
on
the
my own
matrices.
little island.
I'm
We
using
are
I'm using the Z
practicing
one.
with the matrices. defending with the matrices. All right. I haven't even come over
Whoa.
this yet.
Look, my hand looks so chubby.
I feel like you guys are all like independent and haven't been talking to each other. A little bit here and there.
So this would still be.
What are your thoughts?
It's a matrix.
What's going on in your head?
So first I rotated it this way, now I need.
So I reflected
Yeah, all of your
over
solutions are definitely different. Okay, so let me
symmetry.
mix it first. What were you thinking? Okay, so if you reflect it, absolutely, I do see that your line is drawn right here at that.
I used
what,
4 of
50
these
feet
steps
path.
to do it.
What point would you
4 to
have
6.
to rotate it about in order for
You're
this
going
to
to
work?
Well, check them
Okay,
off
cool.
because
So
translated
then-
is separate for writing.
Now, you're not gonna be able to
I didn't
verify
use that, I used
the-
reflection and rotation.
Yeah, but I
You're
didn't
not gonna
reflect
verify
over.
your,
How'd you get it back to that point though, without translating
I
it?
reflected over
I
a half
rotated
point, but I had to move that a half point.
With, you're not gonna verify
some
your
number.
rotation matrix, okay?
I used
Will that
3.
work?
Rotate.
So then now you have to come up with a
180.
way
I
that's
gotta slide
going to
down and
prove that
over.
works. And if it
Oh,
does
we're going
work,
by
then
me?
come up with a different
No, you're
solution.
doing yours. I'm doing
Okay.
mine.
What about you?
That was your original?
This is my original one.
I thought yours was original, but reflecting over it.
Okay.
Then trying
It
to
didn't work.
translate it.
So now it's this one.
Alright, so how do I?
How exactly would I rotate this? I'm so puzzled.
Where are you going, about Z?
Okay.
Or
What
you
point
just
do you think
rotating
I
on
should
axis?
rotate it
So
around?
the reflection, the turn, then the slide. I think
What did you?
this can be combined.
Did you rotate or
I like
reflect?
this
I
plan.
reflected
like what
it.
you drew.
Over the
So I wouldn't
y-axis?
Yeah.
Try and like
So then you
I
can
wouldn't try
rotate
and
about
beat the
point
system
A
by
to
coming up
have
with
it
like, oh,
upright
how do I
and
go from my
translate
pre-image
it.
to my image? Don't
Yeah,
try and beat the
but
system.
how would I
would say
rotate
work with
the
the
other
system
points?
that you developed and support it.
If
from
you
me.
just
1,
basically
2,
count.
3, 4. 1, 2,
Same
3,
thing.
4.
Now, what are you stressing out over?
This would be B triple prime,
Alright.
and then do the same thing for
Okay.
C.
So the reflection.
So how do I have to prove this?
I'm pretty
It
sure.
worked.
270-degree rotation.
Awesome.
Yeah, but
How
then
did you know?
Yeah, it should be the same image, just in a different spot.
Because it's reflecting, it's not rotating.
Yeah.
Boom. Can you say that a little bit louder? That was awesome.
But I want to rotate
The
it.
rotation
Your,
thing. What are you rotating it? 90 degrees, 180, 270,
yeah.
or
Awesome. That's really, really, really. And you can verify it mathematically because we aren't using
all right. Original points
the
are
origin
Oh my god.
as the matrix is the center of rotation.
-2,
That is really awesome. Negative reciprocal is good.
1,
That was like 3 weeks.
No, that's
-2, negative
90 degrees.
1, 2, 3.
That would be.
Would I be adding this or
For what? The matrix?
yeah, be multiplying for rotation?
You gotta do the distribute to each of them, find the new matrix, and then do the next step.
Am I
With that
I'm
fire-
multiplying it by these points, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, negative.
Do you have to write out a main
Yeah.
for each step? I'm gonna have 4 then.
Yeah, you gotta use whatever your answer is for the first one, and the second, and then the second, and the third.
I lose track of time. Good. I love your organization.
Okay, my first step was
Awesome. So that's your polygon matrix. Now our
I
polygon matrix will be
reflected
second
over.
order multiplication.
I rotated
One transformation matrix.
I rotated
0, 0, and 1.
What transformation are we doing?
I rotated 9
Translation. So what's happening is in every single point, what's happening to A and B and C.
Which comes first?
You're adding it to 3 in what direction?
You put it differently.
Negative 1,
Positive, right
negative
direction,
2,
okay? So are you changing your verb, are you changing your y at all?
Translating
So what's your transformation matrix gonna look like?
C.
3, 3, 3. 0, 0, 0.
I need a coffee.
No.
So for this, you put the original points, right?
Yeah.
What matrices thing? I don't think the 0.5 is right.
I hate multiplying.
Me too.
Like I got for,
So it's 0,
because for A prime, I got
2,
What math?
negative 1,
so
1.
then for A prime, which is right here, I got negative 1 and 2.5. But it's really so I think I'm gonna have
My butt keeps vibrating from my phone.
Mine too.
She's gonna have that on video.
I don't care.
Very good.
My butt is vibrating from my cellular device.
My cellular device.
How many times?
Do we have to show the camera these matrix?
I'd rather not.
Points that we're moving.
Look, I did it.
The bottom row.
It's not working. There you go.
So now taking this matrix.
I think she's gonna laugh more watching this.
0, 1, 2.
Testing 1, 2.
Testing 1, 2. Taps camera.
Okay.
Okay, what is this new matrix? That's crossed out, crossed out, crossed out, crossed out. Negative 1 times negative 2 equals
That's where I am.
2.
0
Negative 1.
There we go. All right, so continue. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm not
We
ready.
got 5 minutes left.
Wait, no.
Yeah, honey.
No, this is not happening.
Why don't you explain it to
You
the
over
group?
me.
And we can whole group discuss it.
And then the
Feel my fantasy.
If y is negative x, y is negative x.
1 and 2. Okay.
2.
Y is negative x.
2, 3.
I just
So
yawned
x
for the
is
video. You're welcome.
negative y. Y is negative x. X is
No, I know
negative
that.
y.
I hate myself.
7.
I was supposed to multiply clockwise and I can't.
Well, because you're
I multiplied
flipping
counterclockwise and
this
that's
is
Mine's
linear
180,
algebra,
so it doesn't
okay?
matter.
Mind you, this is higher.
That just made me so
Okay,
depressed.
like
I
Okay,
did
so
all
this
this
should be
college
work
higher.
for nothing.
On the main diagonal,
Well, not for nothing. I probably could go around
0,
this, but
0.
I really don't want
because
to.
the main diagonal needs to be zeros because what you're doing is you're actually flipping and switching.
I can't
your x
believe
and
I
your
just
y.
did that.
So if y is negative
Oh my
x, y
gosh.
is negative x, y is negative x.
Why?
Okay.
Come on,
Y
Britt.
is
You're
negative
one
x.
job, Brittany. One
Y
job.
is negative x. Yes. So
Okay.
this would be
So I have
Hey,
shoes.
she does it a lot.
yes. The main diagonal.
Don't make me sound weird.
No, I
Like you saying, like,
Don't worry, we don't have it on video or anything.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I want to bring this in real quick, and I know we are running out of time fast. Does anyone feel confident or feel that they have a specifically unique solution that they find interesting that they could possibly discuss with the entire class real quick, briefly?
Pocket people.
Pocket people.
But I don't have the math for it.
Okay, you don't have to have the math for it right now. I'm going to adapt and make sure that the math is due tomorrow when you come back in class. We don't have class tomorrow. Awesome. Yay. Cool. When's Thursday?
When's Thursday?
Okay, so I got Pocket Kaylee.
Wait, so we have to finish this?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
No, it's just because they always come
Look at
up
that. I
with,
have like
this.
7 triangles on my
Okay,
papers.
if you don't mind,
Pretty.
right under the document projector.
It's like a graphing paper. Oh, cool. Now I get
Anyone else have something interesting that they would want to just share? It doesn't, whatever you find unique.
I think mine's gonna work, but I'm not sure.
Okay, then I'm gonna have you take it up there.
No.
All right, so Kaylee, take it away real quick.
What? Is
Louder too, girl, because
No.
I rotated ABC around point negative 1, 1. And I did that by finding the opposite reciprocals to make sure there was 90 degrees for a 90-degree rotation. And then I reflected it over the y-axis.
yay!
Is that a
Absolutely.
rotation?
Yeah.
And she proved it with her awesome side work matrixy stuff, which is awesome. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Great job. Someone else. Pocket Rucker, go for it.
Rucker. Pocket people.
He is, Rucker, just noticing, is wearing a Rucker shirt. Good call, Katie.
That's what I said.
That one.
That.
All right, so discuss.
Okay.
Not 0, -5.
He's sitting down. It's
So,
real.
9.
I would multiply it over the negative x
It'll be
equals
negative.
y axis,
So
and
everything
you
will be
get
switched.
this triangle. And then you just translate it right points.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. So he's using the y is negative x line. Awesome. Anyone else? Something with unique? Allie, go for it.
Representing.
Representing the pocket community.
Polly Pockets. Okay.
So I reflected over.
That was my childhood.
That was yours.
X equals 1/2, and I'm sorry, x equals negative 1/2. Girls.
And then I got this triangle. And then I rotated over A prime. And I got this triangle.
Direction and magnitude.
Yeah. 90.
What direction?
Counterclockwise.
Very good.
And then
Wait, no, we didn't. I have it.
Very good. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All three definitely unique solutions. Now, the bell's going to ring in a moment. Do not get rid of me just yet. Individuals, can you please hit your record button again, please?
Bye.